What is MCP? Lately, everyone is talking about AI agents, AI assistants, and tools that can automate complex tasks. But there is one technology working behind the scenes that makes all of this possible: MCP, or the Model Context Protocol. So what exactly is MCP? Imagine you hire a personal assistant. This assistant is smart, but there is a problem. They can't access your emails, calendar, documents, databases, or business applications unless you give them a way to connect. That's exactly the challenge AI models face today. MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol, is an open standard that allows AI models to securely connect with external tools, applications, and data sources. Think of MCP as a universal USB port for AI. Just like a USB port allows different devices to connect and communicate with a computer, MCP allows AI models to connect with different tools and services using a common language. Without MCP, developers have to build custom integration for every AI model and every tool they want to connect. This can become complicated, time-consuming, and difficult to maintain. With MCP, a single standardized connection can be used across multiple AI applications and services, making integration much simpler. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose you ask an AI assistant, "Can you check my calendar and schedule a meeting with the marketing team next week?" A traditional AI model can understand your request, but it cannot access your calendar on its own. However, if the AI is connected through MCP, it can securely communicate with your calendar application, check available time slots, and even schedule the meeting for you. The same applies to many other tasks. An AI agent can use MCP to access company documents, search databases, retrieve customer information, create support tickets, interact with cloud platforms, or even automate workflows across multiple business tools. Now let's see how MCP fits into a banking agentic AI system. Imagine a bank is using an AI-powered fraud detection agent to monitor millions of transactions every day. A traditional AI model might be able to identify suspicious patterns, but it cannot easily access all the systems needed to investigate a transaction in real time. With MCP, the AI agent can securely connect to multiple banking systems through a standardized interface. It can access transaction records, customer profiles, account activity, location data, and fraud monitoring tools all at the same time. Suppose a customer suddenly initiates a large transaction from a country they have never visited before. Using MCP, the AI agent can instantly gather information from different banking systems, analyze the customer's transaction history, verify their recent locations, and evaluate the risk level of the transaction. If the activity appears suspicious, the agent can automatically trigger additional security checks, flag the transaction for review, and notify the customer for verification. Because the AI has access to real-time information from multiple systems, banks can respond to potential fraud much faster while reducing false alarms. This is one of the reasons MCP is generating so much excitement in the banking industry. It enables AI agents to securely connect with core banking platforms, fraud detection systems, customer databases, and compliance tools through a common standard. As a result, banks can build intelligent agents that don't just analyze information, they can take action based on real-time business context. This is why MCP is becoming a foundational technology for agentic AI. Instead of AI simply generating answers, MCP enables AI systems to take actions, access real-time information, and work with external applications. As more organizations adapt AI agents, MCP is helping create a standardized and secure way for AI to interact with the digital world. In simple terms, MCP acts as a bridge between AI models and the tools they need to perform real work. And that's why many experts believe MCP could become one of the most important standards, powering the next generation of AI applications and autonomous agents. Until next time, happy learning!